Hello, friend. So now we're at the 46th gate. This is the gate of the determination of self. It's about pushing upward. If you see here, it lies in the third quarter. It sits in the G center or the identity center. So this is the love of the body. So as you know, within the identity center, we have direction and we have love. So we have the love of the body here. And if you are going to pay attention to the next set of gates and videos, all of these gates that precede the 46th gate are all within the spleen. So what does this tell you? The 46th gate really is, the body is the temple, and the health and well-being of the body all then happen after the 46th gate. So we are sitting in the quarter of bonding. So it's the love of the body. It's the love of self, so that we can stay healthy and vital and move into the patterns that we were built to move into. So the focus of this gate is on the quality of life we experience in the physical body. This is a really interesting dynamic here, because when you have this gate defined in the body graph, what I have witnessed from the hundreds of readings that I've done is that people with this gate and a defined identity center almost take their body for granted. So it's interesting to watch that dynamic. Not all of them, don't get me wrong, not all of them. But there's a vast amount of them that actually take the physical body for granted. So, you know, when you have the 46th gate, the 46th gate is all about serendipity and good fortune. And it's like the people that have this activated, it's not dormant, it's active, in an active identity center, there's this sense of taking the physical body for granted, like the good fortune will always be there. And maybe it will be. I don't know. You know, I've only tracked these people or been in design for 7 years. Who knows what's going to happen in the next however many years, right? So good fortune that may be perceived as a result of serendipity, but derives from effort and dedication. So I know people, and one of them is my husband, that has this gate. And it's really interesting to watch how people get so freaking jealous of what he has built. You know, he's followed his dream, he's followed his passion, and he's created what he wants to in his life. And other people want to, it's almost like they want to destroy it. And they're very jealous and envious of that. And they look at it like, oh, you know, it just happened by luck and good fortune. Well, no, he also worked to get to where he, you know, needed to get to, and he put in a lot of effort and dedication. So it's in the abstract circuitry. So it's about experiencing the experience to discover your own self-determination. And this happens as the cycle comes to a close, and you can then reflect. Of course, everything in the abstract circuitry is all cyclical. Cycles, cycles, cycles. And it's about being able to reflect on your effort, reflect on your determination, and then, you know, appreciate and love the physical vessel, the body that brought you to this place of good fortune. So what happens is that, you know, if you have the 29th gate pointed up to an undefined and open 46th gate, the perseverance can put the body at jeopardy and push the vessel past its limits. And this actually is is a picture out of my body graph. And I have the 29th gate that points up to the 46. And I've seen how I've done this in the past when I worked as a manager of a financial institution of one of their branches. I pushed my physical vessel past its limits, and it gave me warning signs. And I kept pushing. And then it's like, oh, okay, I can't push it anymore. So it's interesting to watch how these dynamics play out in your life. And now that I know design, it totally makes sense how everything has fallen into place. So here again is my body graph. If anything, the frequency resonates with you and you want to connect, great. If not, I hope you're enjoying the videos. And here is just a small plethora of options through the human design system that I have either studied and or experienced. So thank you for your time.